Welcome to Webstyle Press. DeepSeek is an artificial intelligence company that developed open source large language models such as DeepSeek AI or DeepSeek R1. This company recently crashed the markets, giving a reality check to the AI community. They are direct competitors of OpenAI and ChatGPT, and they make no secret of it. Just have a look at this message on their website. DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source, rivaling OpenAI's Model O1, available on web, app, and API. OMG, they did not start from the bottom. They launched AI to compete OpenAI's best model from the start. And yet, this is not their best effort. The best is yet to come. You should absolutely have DeepSeek AI app on PC and in your mobile to have quick access. This is free AI that is better than ChatGPT. And no, it will not use your PC resources. It will run from the cloud and it won't cost you anything either. So to install DeepSeek app, open their website deepseek.com. For mobile app, scan this QR code that will take you to the mobile app store. For me, it's Google Play Store, where I can download and install DeepSeek AI Assistant and use it for free. Amazing. This made my day. And for the PC, from their website, click on Start Now button. You'll have to create free account and sign in to proceed. And wow, it's the web-based DeepSeek AI Assistant, chat.deepseek.com. It allows me to deep think using DeepSeek R1 model as well. See this toggle button, Deep Think R1. It says use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. ChatGPT is not deep enough. This is deep, man. Get it now. Okay, use Google Chrome or Brave browser to open this website. Click three dots from top right. From Cast, Save, and Share, select Install Page as App. Title of DeepSeek is DeepSeek Into the Unknown. You can customize this title and click Install button. And it will ask, would you like to pin DeepSeek to your taskbar? Click yes to pin it to taskbar. And this is the DeepSeek app installed in your PC. You can access it from your desktop by clicking on its icon. Here it is. Let's ask it a question that needs web browsing. Searching the web. Version spelling is wrong. So it found 21 results. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I can see it directly from here, from the sidebar. Tailwind CSS v4, Tailwind CSS 4 is here. And I can see the dates for these blogs. And it says, oops, DeepSeek is experiencing high traffic at the moment. Please check back in a little while. Of course. So this is how you can download, install, and use DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek AI Assistant, or DeepSeek R1 on your PC or in your mobile. Please give this video a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel, join our Discord, and I will see you in the next one.